We're coming to you this morning from Brentwood Park on the East Rand, where YG1 have recently set up shop. YG1 is a world-class international brand that up until now hasn't enjoyed the exposure that it probably should have in South Africa. But this is about to change. Let's go inside and find out how. Lance, would you agree with my opening statement that YG1 has possibly not enjoyed the exposure that it should have in South Africa?
Yes, that's the brand awareness was definitely out there, yes, and is still out there, and we are still enjoying the benefits of the brand awareness that was created. What I would say and do agree with you is that going forward, our product range was definitely not well represented. If you have a look at our catalogue, you can see the vast product range that we do have available, comparing to what we had historically. Going forward, we will be promoting a lot more of this product range into the South African market to support our customers historically and our new customers that are coming on board.
You could say that you're basically relaunching the product in South Africa again.
I would not call it a relaunch of the product. I would be calling it a relaunch of the brand. Some examples of that would be our entire combo tap range, our V7 Plus carbide NMIL range, our K2 range of carbides for not your high performance, but for your jobbing shop. It comes with a good quality, with a good price, and we go all the way down from high production down to your standard jobbing shops. We have got a product for everybody.
So how do you intend marketing and gaining the confidence of the local market again?
The local market is, as in any market in the world, is a market that just wants its products immediately. One of the biggest problems that we have found through companies I've worked for historically, our current competitors, is having stock available. We are driving our stock availability and our stock holding to astronomical levels. We want to hold enough stock to be able to support every customer on every phone call. Our goal is to say yes to every order or inquiry that we receive. We are going through a distributor network. We've identified key distributors in certain areas, and we are still actively searching for more distributors in areas that we have not already signed up.
So you have the infrastructure and the staff to do all of this?
The infrastructure is something that we're still busy building on, bearing in mind we only started in October last year. The staffing has almost doubled already, and as for stock holding and that we are holding a fair number of stock, I would say closer to the 15 million rand mark at the moment, and we will expect to increase that at the later stage, mainly because of the product ranges that we will be bringing in. For our insert range, for example, our milling bodies, our turning holders, and the full range that goes along with our ISO offering on the insert range, as well as a full range of our taps and carbide NMILs, as well as our high-speed steel NMILs and drills. We also are bringing in a reamer range in high-speed steel as well as carbide for the South African market.
So Lance, it seems that YG1 is very focused on the indexable turning grades as well. Can you tell us a little bit more about your special promotion?
Absolutely, yes, Lee. At the moment we are looking at running a promotion on our ISO turning range. We're offering a 10 plus 2 inserts. Effectively it's a 20% discount off our current price, and this is mainly for our end user customers, promoting the brand out there in the market.
And rumour has it that you might even possibly be manufacturing locally. Is this true?
That is correct, yes, Lee. We started out with the company in October last year, as I mentioned earlier, with the main focus of the first 2 years was to develop a base of selling our standard range, focusing mainly on general engineering and some specialized tooling. What we plan on doing in the future is hopefully by the end of next year we will start manufacturing, having a factory to do local manufacture, local regrind and recoating. And this focus is for the automotive sector. As you know, it's a mainly specialized sector, and if you can't regrind and recoat it, you can't get into that market. So going forward, our goal is to be able to support our products better through a regrinding and recoating facility, as well as manufacturing specials for the automotive sector.
Well, there you heard it first on Machine TV. Contact information for YG1 distributors throughout South Africa will follow.